Hi everyone, I'm Chris Eyrick. I'm the Worldwide Product Marketing Manager for the Xerox Baltoro HF inkjet press. And I'm here at the Baltoro in the Gill Hatch Center, and I want to show you a couple of things that you may not already know about the Baltoro. So come on over this way. Let's talk diagnostics. Over here on Baltoro, if I click on the diagnostics and I come down here, I can go to printhead maintenance, and then this menu comes up. The selected phase here is purge, wipe, and analyze, and there's a number of options. The one I really want to call your attention to is the ability to select individual heads to clean, wipe, purge. As opposed to doing all of them, you may have, for example, a few extra missing magenta jets. So I can select this, and here, by clicking on Show Missing Jets, it gives you a sample, for example, of the number of missing jets that might be missing. So here, I might want to click on M3 to take care of that one, maybe C2 and K3. And then once I've selected individual heads, or I can select them all, then I go down here and click Start. And that's going to print a number of sheets that are going to go back over to that top stacker tray. Let's take a look. All right, so here are the maintenance sheets. Let's take a quick look at those. This is what was printed as a result of running that routine. And it's going to check each head individually. So I hope you find some of these insights that I've shared with you today pretty helpful. So from the Gill Hatch Center and Baltoro HF, thanks.